Well, there's not really an average dietitian. We all do a little bit of everything. But in a nutshell, a dietitian is somebody that is registered with a HCPC, they have a professional qualification, and they are able to translate the science of nutrition into everyday practice. Dietitians can train in loads of different areas of clinical practice, to include diabetes, weight management, eating disorders, learning disabilities, mental health, acute management of patients in a hospital setting, clinical community settings, and the list goes on and on and on. Dietitians can do this across a multitude of settings, to include hospitals, care homes, the media, public health, industry, or prisons. Once students have completed the dietetics degree at Glyndwr University, they will be eligible to register with the HCPC for a professional registration in dietetics, and they'll also then be able to take on a Band 5 job within the NHS or be able to go into private work or the industries. Please have a look on our Glyndwr University website to find out more information about the course, and do not hesitate to ask us any questions.